Electrical manufacturers sometimes reach out to individuals who participate in online forums. They typically do this through private messages or email. The purpose is to explore the possibility of mentioning their products on the forum. In exchange for these mentions, they offer compensation. This compensation is often on a per-mention basis. When faced with such offers, there are several ways to handle them. Firstly, one option is to decline the offer. If there's no prior experience with the product, or if it doesn't seem like a suitable fit for the forum's audience, declining is a reasonable approach. Secondly, requesting more information is a good strategy. If unfamiliar with the product or the manufacturer, seeking additional details allows for an informed decision. This information can include product specifications, intended use cases, and any relevant certifications. Thirdly, one could accept the offer. If confident that the product aligns well with the forum's interests and would be beneficial to its members, accepting might be considered. However, transparency is paramount. If an offer is accepted, it's crucial to disclose the relationship with the manufacturer in any posts where the product is mentioned. This disclosure should be clear and unambiguous, ensuring that forum members are aware of the potential bias. Furthermore, giving an honest opinion of the product is essential. Avoid exaggerating or overhyping its features. Instead, provide a balanced assessment based on factual information and, if possible, personal experience. Maintaining transparency is vital for building trust and credibility within the forum community. It ensures that members can make well-informed decisions about the products they encounter. By disclosing any potential conflicts of interest, forum participants demonstrate their commitment to honesty and integrity. Ultimately, handling offers from electrical manufacturers requires careful consideration and a commitment to ethical practices. Transparency, honest assessment, and a focus on the best interests of the forum community are key to navigating these situations successfully. It is also important to adhere to the forum's guidelines regarding sponsored content or advertising. Some forums may have specific rules about how such content should be disclosed or restricted altogether. Familiarizing oneself with these rules is crucial to avoid violating the forum's terms of service. Additionally, it's worth considering the potential impact on one's reputation within the forum community. Accepting offers that are not carefully vetted or that promote subpar products could damage one's credibility. Therefore, it's essential to prioritize quality and relevance when evaluating potential partnerships with electrical manufacturers. In some cases, it may be beneficial to seek feedback from other forum members before accepting an offer. This can provide valuable insights into the product's perceived value and potential impact on the community. Openly discussing the opportunity with fellow forum members can also foster transparency and build trust. Furthermore, it's important to remember that not all offers are created equal. Some manufacturers may be more reputable and trustworthy than others. Researching the manufacturer's history, reputation, and product quality is essential before entering into any agreement. Checking for reviews, testimonials, and industry certifications can help assess the manufacturer's credibility. Moreover, carefully reviewing the terms of the agreement with the manufacturer is crucial. Pay close attention to the compensation structure, disclosure requirements, and any restrictions on content or messaging. Ensure that the terms are fair, reasonable, and aligned with one's values and principles. If anything is unclear or ambiguous, seek clarification from the manufacturer before proceeding. Remember that declining an offer is always an option. If there are any doubts or concerns about the product, the manufacturer, or the terms of the agreement, it's best to err on the side of caution and decline the offer. Preserving one's integrity and reputation is more important than any financial gain. In conclusion, handling offers from electrical manufacturers on online forums requires a thoughtful and ethical approach. Transparency, honesty, and a commitment to the best interests of the forum community are paramount. By carefully evaluating offers, disclosing relationships, and providing unbiased assessments, forum participants can maintain their credibility and build trust with their peers.